In this episode, I discuss demarcating a part from a quadrilateral field from bottom. In episode 19, we learned to demarcate a part of a specified area from a quadrilateral field from bottom. In that episode, we adopted the method of crossstaff survey. In this episode 28, we avoid crossstaff, which is not a precision instrument. And for the first time, we apply quadratic. I won't explain the theory behind this method. I give step-by-step procedure. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral field. After calculations, we get angle DCB, this angle, as 58.5905490443 degrees, and angle ADC, this angle, is 135.62008435 degrees. Now we erect two short perpendiculars, one at C and one at D. The angle between AD and the perpendicular at D is angle ADC minus 90 degrees. This angle minus this 90 degrees is equal to this left angle. This is 45.62008435 degrees. This left angle is 45.62008435 degrees. We call this left side angle. The angle between BC and the right side short perpendicular is 58.5905490443 minus 90 degrees is equal to minus 31.4094509557 degrees. This angle, this right side angle, is minus 31.4094509557 degrees. Because this angle is outside the field, the sign of the angle is minus. Here the angle is inside the field and therefore it is plus. Actually, if we deduct 90 degrees from these angles, the signs will automatically be given by the calculator. This angle is called right side angle. Tan left side angle is equal to tan 45.62008435 is equal to 1.021882707753. Tan right side angle is equal to tan minus 31.4094509557 is equal to minus 0.610629039112. We add these two figures, this figure and this figure. After addition, we get 0.411253666841. There is no unit for this number, it's simply a number. We divide this number by 2, so we get 0.2056268341. So in our quadratic equation, the above figure is A. This figure is A. And 198, this DC, is B. Let the area of the part we want to demarcate from bottom is half an acre. 1 acre is equal to 43,560 square feet. So half an acre is equal to 0.5 into 43560 is equal to 21,780 square feet. We must change the sign of this figure. We must change the sign of, we should not forget it. After changing its sign, it becomes C of our quadratic equation. So, as above, we know A, B, C. Applying quadratic equation, solve for x. X is equal to 99.680,965,537.72 feet. CF is equal to this is the part we demarcate. So this we know, if we know this side and if we know this side, if we mark them, this part will be our required part. So for calculating CF is equal to x by cos right side angle. X is this one, right side angle is minus 31.409,450,9557. So by dividing this figure by this figure, we get 116.795631,319 feet. So CF is 116 feet, 9.5 inches nearly. In the same way, we calculate DE. DE is equal to x by cos left side angle. X is this figure, left side angle is this figure, cos 45.620084,355. Here there is minus sign, here minus sign is absent because this angle is inside the field. So DE is equal to, after calculation, 142.52092411 feet. This is equal to 142 feet, 6.25 inches nearly. So we mark DE and CF. 142.6.25 near, this is DE, and we got 116.95, 116 feet 9.5 inches above, and that is CF. We mark this and we connect these points. Then this is the part we require. Not only the owner of the field, but also anyone doesn't like the direction of EF. We learned how to adjust the direction in episode 20. We adopt a different method here, but this will be in the next episode 29.